In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for personal knowledge management. Whether you're a beginner or simply looking to streamline your digital workspace, you'll find these steps handy for organizing your thoughts, resources, and information effectively. Let's dive in by creating a Knowledge Hub page. Think of this as your central command center, a place where all your ideas, notes, and references can converge. When you start a new page in Notion, you might want to give it a title that resonates with your unique system, something like My Digital Library or Knowledge Vault. Customizing your hub with a cover image or icon can make it feel more personal and inviting. Now that we have our hub set up, it's time to add some databases. These are pivotal tools in Notion that help keep your resources organized. Start by creating separate databases for different types of content you might interact with frequently, such as notes, educational resources, or maybe references from books and articles. The beauty of Notion's databases is their versatility. You can format them as a table, board, list, or gallery. Whatever suits your style and needs best, think about this step as laying out the frameworks where your knowledge will reside and grow over time. Once your databases are in place, making them searchable is key. This is where tags come in. Tags are an excellent way to categorize and swiftly retrieve information later. As you develop your filing system, consider what tags make the most sense for you. These could be topics like tech, wellness, productivity, or even names of projects you are working on. Consistent use of tags will greatly improve your ability to swiftly locate pertinent information. To add tags in Notion, you can create a multi-select property within your databases. This allows you to assign multiple tags to an entry, enhancing your searchability. The final piece of our organization puzzle is linking databases. Cross-referencing is an amazing way to weave together different strands of information, making connections between ideas more apparent. For instance, if you have a note in your resources database that ties into a current project in another database, linking them can streamline your workflow and reduce the chance of duplicating efforts. In Notion, you can easily create these links by typing @ followed by the page name you want to link to, or by using the Link to Page feature. This functionality transforms your Knowledge Hub into a truly interconnected ecosystem. And there you have it. By creating a central hub, populating it with organized databases, enhancing searchability through tags, and tying everything together with links, you can transform Notion into a powerful tool for personal knowledge management. With these steps, Notion becomes more than just a digital notebook. It evolves into a dynamic system that aids your learning and productivity. Happy organizing!